Okay, so for this shopping trip, we're going to be getting 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. They are on sale 2 for $7, and you get $5 back in extra care bucks when you buy 2. I'm also going to be using one of these $3 off 2 coupons as well. I'm also going to be getting 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos. They are buy 2 get $4 back in extra care bucks. I do have a $3 off 12 shampoo or conditioner, as well as a $3 off 2 CRT. And you get $4 back in extra care bucks. The Crest toothpaste is on sale as well for $3, plus you get $2 back in extra care bucks. There is a $1 off manufacturer coupon digital for Crest, as well as a 50-cent off an app only coupon for Crest as well. This is just going to be a quick overview of my money-making shopping trip at CVS. So I bought 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. They are on sale 2 for $7, and they are buy 2 get $5 back in extra care bucks. I bought the Crest Scope toothpaste. It is on sale for $3. Again, if you buy 1, you get $2 back in extra care bucks. And I bought 2 of the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. They are buy 2 get $4 back in extra care bucks, or buy 3 and get $8 back. I just bought 2 of them. The coupons that I used, I had a $3 off manufacturer coupon for the Garnier shampoo and conditioner. I had a $3 off manufacturer coupon for the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. I had a $1 off digital manufacturer coupon for the Crest, as well as a $3 off 2 CRT for the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. I had a $3 off 12 CRT for hair care, and a 50-cent app-only coupon on the Crest. Now, the Crest is going to be a moneymaker because it's on sale for $3. You have a $1 off manufacturer coupon, and then a 50-cent off manufacturer coupon. So you're going to pay $1.50, but you're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks. So that's going to be a 50-cent moneymaker by itself. I also had $3 in extra care bucks, and that is the 2 that you see at the bottom. So my total after taxes was $4.67. And then I got back 4, 5, and then 2. I got back $11 in extra care bucks. So I paid a little less than 5, and I got back 11. That is a $6 moneymaker, and in my book, that is a win. I just want to say thank you for watching my video. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button because it really means a lot to me. If you have not already done so, subscribe to my videos so you can be the first to find out about these amazing deals on how I save money, how I coupon, and how I get rebates. Also, there are links to my other videos in the description below. There's also going to be links to the apps that I use to get cash back. I make a ton of money cash back for buying the products that I was already going to be buying anyways. So you can check that out. If you have any questions at all, post them in the comments below. I will be happy to help you guys out. Until my next video, I'll see you guys later.